Hello friends, welcome to Vedic Chef. I am your host Vaidya Neha, and today I will show you Ayurvedic method of cooking steamed rice. Actually, this is the basic recipe of cooking rice and almost everyone knows how to cook their steamed rice. The reason behind selecting this recipe was that since past 2-3 decades, many health experts are advising their patients to skip steamed rice from their daily meals, saying that it has got some harmful effects on your body. But for matter of fact, the rice has been the staple food and a high energy source in Indian meals. In fact, it is said to be one of the first crop known to human civilization. Even many Ayurvedic and Vedic scriptures have mentioned health benefits of rice. Then exactly how and when this rice became the big fat villain, let's know about this along with our today's recipe. Moving on to our recipe, today I'll also show you which rice should be selected. Here I have taken 3 varieties of rice according to their method of milling. The first one here is the brown rice. It is obtained after dehusking of the paddy rice. It is also known as unpolished rice, and the outer layer of this brown rice is actually known as bran. The bran is nothing but the fibrous structure around the whole grain of rice, and this gives this rice great nourishment value. The next here is the white rice. White rice is actually the polished version of this brown rice only. It is more sophisticated form as per the modern era, but during the more polishing and milling process, it loses some of its nutritious values. It loses all the fibrous nutrition from this rice, also loses some minerals and vitamins. So it is the lowest variety of rice if considered about the modern day nutritional factors. The third variety is the parboiled rice. In Marathi, it is also known as ukdicha tandoor. It is nothing but when the rice is in paddy form, it is boiled and steamed partially, and it helps in easy dehusking of the rice, so the grain becomes little translucent in form, and it is a little bit different from this polished version. It gives the polished form itself by this method, so it loses its fibrous nutritions during this parboiling method, but it has the same caloric values as of the brown rice. Now, among all 3 varieties of rice, I would personally recommend this brown rice as it has got the maximum nutritious value, and it is beneficial for all age groups and in any health conditions. But still, in today's recipe, I will show the steamed rice recipe with white rice, even if it has got the lesser nutritious values than brown rice or parboiled rice, because it is commonly used and it is easily available in the market, and it has still got enough nutritious value to provide health benefits. For today's steamed rice recipe, I have taken 1 cup of rice, and for that I have used 5 cups of water. Now take these 5 cups of water into the vessel and start heating it on the high flame. Keep the lid closed so the water will boil fast. By the time our water is boiling, let's know something about rice. For white rice, I have used 5 cups, that is 1:5 proportion. In Ayurvedic textbooks like Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, Vagbhat Samhita, they have already mentioned different proportions for making rice, like 1:5, 1:6, 1:10 and 1:14 for making rice. For white rice, this 1:5 proportion is perfect because it has got no bran over it, so it cooks faster. Let's check if water is boiling or not. Around after 3 minutes that water is boiling. Now into this boiling water add this priorly washed and soaked rice, 1 cup of rice into the vessel. Pour it slowly as hot boiling water may splash on your hands. Give a gentle stir to the rice and again close the lid and keep the low flame. I have kept rice for cooking and it will take around 7 to 10 minutes approximately. While it is getting cooked, we will learn why and how this rice became the enemy of the medical world. Actually, this is the conventional method of cooking rice. But over the period of time, this method has changed due to the advancement of technology and some new gadgets like pressure cooker or steamer or boilers have come to the market. So people started using this newer gadget. Now while cooking the rice in pressure cooker, what happens is the rice gets boiled into the high pressure on high temperature. So what happens, it may deteriorate the nutritious value of rice and you won't get the pure nourishment from the rice what you want to get. Besides the change in the preparation style of rice, the another reason behind it might be the changing lifestyle. Nowadays people are not following the proper meal timings. Even the proportion of meals is also changed. And not just that, but the increasing pollution and chemicals used while cultivating rice can be the factors affecting the degradation of the rice value. Now we cannot change all the affecting factors, but the least we can do is cook the rice in this Ayurvedic conventional way of cooking, which will keep the integrity of the nutritious values of rice and it will still give you the maximum health benefits. Like the rice cooked in this way is lighter, that is it is easier to digest and it helps in formation of stool. It also helps in increasing the muscular strength. So at the end, this is not the rice which is harmful, but the quantity in which we use it or the ways in which we cook it can be the reason behind it being cursed or being harmful for the human use. Now after exactly 10 minutes, I am removing the lid. Here you can see the perfectly cooked rice. At this time you can switch off the flame. The trickiest part of this recipe is coming now. Take a empty bowl. Over this take a strainer. And into this bowl strain the excess amount of water. Just be little bit careful while doing this as the steam is little bit hotter. After straining the water, what we get is the perfectly cooked rice. You can see all the rice kernels are separated from each other. This rice is exactly cooked just in 7 to 10 minutes. And the water we had strained from the rice is collected into the bowl and it is known in Sanskrit as manda In Hindi and Marathi it is known as mand, and this has also got various nutritious values which I'll discuss in some another video. Now finally our steamed rice is ready. To understand the difference between the conventionally cooked steamed rice and pressure cooked steamed rice, I have also cooked some sample rice in the pressure cooker here. Now in this pressure cooked rice, you can observe the slight glaze of water. This is because while cooking the rice in the pressure cooker, the steam gets trapped into the rice kernel, making it heavier and stickier. This is the pressure cooked rice, and this is nicely separated kernels of conventionally cooked rice. So the main difference between the pressure cooked rice and conventional cooked rice is the water content of this steamed rice is higher, making it difficult to digest. And in this conventionally cooked rice, we had already strained the excess amount of water, making it lighter and therefore easier to digest. Ayurveda has described more than 40 different healthy varieties of rice, out of which Raktashali, that is red rice, Mahashali, that is basmati rice, are few known varieties to all of us. So in future, I will be coming up with more information about different varieties of rice along with their health benefits through various Ayurvedic recipes of rice in my next videos of Vedic Chef. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. And remember our motto, that is Aharam Shreshtam Beshachati. Till then, stay happy and stay healthy. Thank you.